Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with Amazon add-on item recent changes. So how do you sell Amazon add-on item for your dropshipping business? So with the new changes, let's see how this can be done. So what you will learn in this video is that I will cover how to sell add-on items products. So with the changes that have taken place over the past few days. So there are three methods that you have overlooked that you can still continue to sell add-on items. And how to sell more low-price products, I'll show you in a while. You used to be able to combine your orders, that means orders as above $25 inclusive of your add-on, and you can ship it to different address. But what happened now? So you can still combine the orders above $25 for add-on, which includes your add-ons, but at the same time you cannot ship to different address. Now if you are a dropshipper, this will affect you greatly in terms of having to sell low price item, which means that your sales will be affected by this change. It's either you delete all your add-on items or you find ways to sell more add-on items. So let's take a look at what are the three methods. So there are three ways for you to sell more add-on items. So number one is to sell bundled products with add-on. So in a while I'll show you how you can do this by going to amazon.com, and it's either you sell purely add-on items with a total value of $25 so that you can check out for the same buyer to the same address. Or you can still sell add-on items with discounted strategy in place. So this means that you need to give discount for people buying in bulk, so that the same person buy in bulk and you sell them in bulk and it will be shipped to the same address. So let's go to Amazon, take a look. Let's take a look at this item. For example, you want to sell this item, and how you can combine and bundle products is that look at this frequently bought together at this section. So normally people will buy these two items together and check out. So if this is an add-on item and you add this to this main product, it will total price definitely more than $25. So another product is this, which is a silicone stretch leads. So you can see that this particular item is about $10.99, and usually people buy this product combined with another product, that is this silicone stretch leads, another type of silicone stretch leads. So total is $18. So if you can add one more items into this, you're definitely above $25. So just bringing you back to the add-on item term and condition, just look at this. Right now Amazon point number 2 is saying that orders containing $25 of items shipped by amazon.com to the same address. So you can order a mix of add-on items and other items shipped by Amazon and be entirely make up of the add-on items. But they're also trying to tell you that you need to ship to the same address over here. So what is the pro and cons of selling add-on items? First of all, the pro is that you can make higher profit margins and lesser return. If you do combine a bundle, you do need to take note that if the buyer decided to return one of the items, you need to refund partial to the buyer. And of course, if you combine bundle, you definitely will make a higher profit margin and you will have a lesser return due to the price of the item. So the con is that the buyer traffic to your store will be affected or reduced due to the store now is selling more high price product, which is above $10, and unless you do heavy promotions to your listing, you will definitely see a drop of like 10 to 20% to your daily sales. So how to sell more low price item at the same time not affecting your store traffic? So you can go for those items that's below $10 and non-prime, and you can look into categories like stationery, cookware, accessories, fashion accessories. So all these categories, you should be able to find more items that's below $10 and not shipped by Amazon. So let's go to Amazon and have a look now. So when you're at Amazon website, you can always search for add-on items under $5 or Amazon items under $10. So you search them and you come out with orders. So all these items, basically you can see that there is add-on, and mostly there's prime. You see a prime label over here. This is add-on item. So majority of these are add-on items. So those that's non-prime, you can actually click on them which is without the prime sticker, like this one, for example, the first 8 bag. So you can see that this is without Amazon Prime, and this you can actually sell it at it is, because you do not need to meet any special condition of having this. You do not need to meet the checkout condition of having $25 or more. So with these three methods, I hope that you can sell more products that is of lower price now and get over this add-on item issues with Amazon, and I'll see you in the next video.